Hello, myself Nashid Nisar Jogilkar. Following PPT shows the industrial visit report in the form of presentation. I have explained everything in the PPT. Following PPT shows the detailed report or PPT report in the following slides. So, myself Nashid Nisar Jogilkar, studying in final year civil engineering, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. Following presentation shows the industrial training presentation. In this, my content includes certificate of completion, project details, construction step of buildings, materials and equipment used, images of equipment use, etc. Then the third slide shows the certificate of completion that I have completed in the Durvesh Construction Company at post Gadap Taluka Pen District Raigad, and I have attached the certificate in the below PPT. Then the project details are as follows. Project name Panchashil Apartment, schedule launched by Mumbai Development Authority, and contract for construction of this multi-storied residential finish house is awarded to Durvesh Construction Company. Scope: design and construction of multi-story finishes house including basement parking based on RCC monolithic shear wall concept using aluminium formwork. Number of towers 4. Construction period 36 months. Architect Arinem Consultancy Limited. Agency Durvesh Construction Company. Number of flats 400. Type of contract lump sum. Estimated project cost 100 crores. Consultant Manish Shirkhade, Associate Professor Civil Engineering Department IIT Roorkee. Design of concrete mix by Department of Civil Engineering IIT Kanpur. Client name Lucknow Development Authority LDA. Introduction. The basic needs of human existence are food, clothing and shelter. From times immemorial, man has been taking efforts in improving their standard of living. The point of these efforts have been provide an economic and efficient shelter. The position of shelter beside the basic uses a give feeding security responsibility shown as the social status of man. Every man has an inherent liking for a peaceful environment needed for his pleasant living. This object is of living situated at the safe of convenient location. Such a place for comfortable and pleasant living requires considered and kept in view. A peaceful environment, safety from all natural resources and climatic conditions, general facilities for community of his residential area. The engineer has to keep in mind the municipal condition, building bylaws, environmental, financial capacity, water supply, sewage arrangement, provision of future aeration, ventilation, etc. in suggestion of particular type of plan of any client. Then the types of buildings. Buildings are classified on the basis of character of occupancy and type of use as residential building, educational building, institutional building, industrial building, residential building. In such building, sleeping accommodation is provided. IT includes the living room, bedroom, kitchen, hall, toilet, bathroom. It may be a single story building or apartments. Educational building, this includes any building using of school, college, assembly for instruction, education or recreation. Institution building, these buildings are used for different purposes such as medical or other treatment or care of persons suffering from physical or mental illness. Then the industrial building, these are buildings which are product of material, all kind of properties fabricated, assembled, processed, for example refineries, gas plant, mills, etc. Safety inductions. Safety is very important part of any work. An induction video was showed which highlighted the new importance of safety construction site. Most accidents can be prevented by taking simple measures, adopting proper working procedures. It is very important to discuss issue on safety and health. Will definitely be fewer work injury cases. On our site will become a safe and secure place to work. Worker safety, construction progress, standard procedure, legal cases, working efficiency. 2 standard guidelines are followed for health and environmental safety. ISO 14001 2004. OHIS 18001 2007 Precautions of Site and Site for Safety. Wear protective equipment. Do not drink and or take drugs while working. Pay attention to personal hygiene. Then there are some images of safety equipments, which are helmet and the man wearing the helmet and safety equipment. After that, in our project, first there is site clearance. No conditions of determine the kind of building that may be erected on a plot of ground. This condition determine where the plot it may be located. There are conveyance or legally binding regulations. Zoning laws regulating the setback factor that play an equation house of location of the tanks also requires special consideration. Surveying and layout. Generally, at site survey is carried out by the following two instruments: total station or auto level. Total station station is electronically optical instrument used in modern surveying and building construction. The total station is an electronic theodolite transist integrated by electronic distance meter (EDM) to reduce the slope distances from the instrument to a particular point. Then foundation. Footings are strips of concrete or filling foundation wall, gravel or crushed stone. Footings may also lead to generally in high-rise building, three types of footings are provided: isolated footing, combined footing. Two types of footings are provided: isolated footing and combined footing, and trapezoidal footing. Then I have view an isolated footing and combined footing pictures as shown in PPT. Then after that, there is a raft footing or mat footing. This is a footing that covers the entire area under the structure. This footing is used when very heavy loads of building are to be transmitted to the underlying soil. Raft footings are provided in following cases: when the groundwater table is high, rafts are open placed over piles to control buoyancy. When total area of footing slab is more 50% total area. Then the detailings of our plan of raft footing as I have shown in the PPT. Then there is concreting with the help of concrete vibrators, needle vibrator, surface vibrator, etc. Then after that, the next PPT shows the wall construction. In frame structure, generally brick wall are constructed for partition purpose. Of half brick wall was made, but the site no wall was constructed the brick because it was a high-rise building. Then I have shown the picture working at site during forming work of RCC wall construction. Then the materials used in our construction was cement, aggregates, then fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, etc. Then I have shown the fine aggregates OLEC near RMC plant. After that, admixtures. Types of admixture we use are accelerator, retarders, water reducers, air entertaining agents, bonding admixtures. Equipments used at our side is concrete pump, rotary mixer for transporting RMC, crane, boom pump, etc. And the last but not the least, there are some images of our site while we were constructing. And at last, thank you very much.